Find index of a subarray with given sum. Suppose this is example in which sum is given is 12. So in this array we have to find contiguous subarray whose sum is 12, but we have to find the index of starting and the ending element whose sum is 12. So suppose in this example, the sum of elements from second position to fourth position is 12. 2 plus 3 is 5 and 5 plus 7 is 12. So sum is 12. In this 15 is given. So from 1 to 5, sum is 15. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. And 4 plus 5 is 15. So let's see. In this, initially we will create a variable current sum which is initially 0, a variable start which is initially 0, and a variable end which is initially -1. Now we iterate over this array and current sum. This sum will add all the elements. Sum of all the elements is stored in current sum. So this sum will become at I is equals to 0. Sum will become 1. Now check this condition. If sum minus s is equals to 0 means 1 minus 12 is minus 11, which is not equals to 0. So come to this condition. If sum minus s means 1 minus 12 is minus 11, which is in their dictionary. We also have a dictionary here. So we check that sum minus s in dictionary, initially dictionary is empty, nothing is in it. So come here. Now we will add sum value in dictionary. So value is, key is 1 and the index, ith index is 0. Now sum value is 1 plus 2, 3. So 3 minus 12 is not equals to 0. Come to this condition. 3 minus 12 is not in the dictionary. 3 minus 12 is minus 9, not in the dictionary. So we will add 3 at index 1 here. Now sum will become 3 plus 3, 6. So 6 minus 12 is not equals to 0. Come to this condition. 6 minus 12 is minus 6, which is not in the dictionary. So we will append 6 at index 2. Now come here. 6 plus 7 is 13. So 13 minus 12 is not equals to 0. It is 1. Now check this condition. Sum minus s. 13 minus 12 is in dictionary. 13 minus 12 is 1. It is in dictionary. So check this condition. Start will become d of sum minus s plus 1. So sum is 13. S is 12. Means value is 1. So d of 1 is 0. So 0 plus 1, start will become 1. And will become I. So value of I here is 3. So here 3. Now we will break it. come out of the loop, and we will check if and equals to -1, then we have to return -1. If it is not a condition, then we have to return start plus 1 and end plus 1. So in this case, start is 1 and end is 0. So the output will be 2. Start and end will be 4. So this will be output. Now see the next example. Initially, sum is equals to 0. Start is equals to 0. And is equals to -1. So in D, sum will become 1. So it is not in dictionary, so we will add it in at 0 index. Then sum will become 1 plus 2, 3. It is also not in the dictionary. We will add this. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 is also not in the dictionary. So we will add this. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 is not there in the dictionary. Five. 10 plus 5 is 15. So check this condition. Sum minus s equals to 0. So sum is 15 and s is also 15 given in this question. So 15 minus 15 is equals to 0. So start equals to 0 and end is equals to I. Then break the condition. So start is equals to 0, but end will become I. And here I is 4. So I is 4. And then break. After break, what we've written, start plus 1 and end plus 1 in our output. Now, let's see the code. Here, D is dictionary. Sum variable is equals to 0. Start is equals to 0. And is equals to -1. So I in range and calculate sum. Check the condition. If sum minus s is equals to 0, start is equals to 0, and is equals to y, then break. Elif, check another condition. Sum minus s in D, then start equals to D of sum minus s plus 1 and is equals to I, and then break. Now if some value not in B, then check the condition. If and equals to -1, return -1, else return start +1 and +1.